Hi guys, welcome back to Academy Learning. Today we'll be discussing some of the current affair MCQs. So let's begin. So the first MCQs is forint is the currency of which country? So the correct answer is Hungary. Now next question. Tangjug is the news agency of which country? The correct answer is D. Serbia. Third question is which of the following statement is correct regarding the Korean War 1950 to 1953? The correct answer is USSR backed North Korea. Just to let you know, USSR stands for Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. Okay. Next question is Moon is the dash satellite of the Earth. The correct answer is natural. Next question is recently which of the following country has pulled out from Open Skies Treaty following the United States? The correct answer is Russia. Now, Global Risk Report 2021 16th edition has been released by whom? The correct answer is World Economic Forum. B. Question number 7th is Biman is an airline of dash country. The correct answer is Bangladesh. Chile has the longest shore along which ocean? The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Next question is the largest section of the Kurd population is living in. The correct answer is Turkey. Now, what is Kurd population? Mainly those areas belonging to mountainous region of Western Asia. Basically, the population living on mountainous areas. Next question is how many districts are there in Balochistan? The correct answer is 38. Question number 11. Where is Louvre Art Gallery located? Basically, which country? The correct answer is France. Question number 12 is who is the first person to walk in the space in 1965? The correct answer is Alexei Leonov. This guy belonged to Russia and his nationality is Russian. Up to next question. QuickTime is a dash website, search media engine, or media player or language. The correct answer is media player. Question number 14 is which country changed one word its national anthem recently? The correct answer is D. Australia. Question number 15 is recently UN has suspended voting right of how many countries? The correct answer is C. 7 countries. Up to question number 16. Who imposed third martial law on Pakistan? The correct answer is C. General Ziaul Haq. Question number 17 is which among the following are known as E3? The correct answer is D. France, Germany, Italy. Question number 18 is Prashpura is the old name of which city? The correct answer is Peshawar. Question number 19 is Pakistan Army has been ranked the dash most powerful in the world out of 133 countries on the Global Firepower Index 2021. The correct answer is C. 10th. Question number 20 is Election Amendment Act 2017 was altered mistakenly which could allow dash. The correct answer is C. Muslims and Ahmadis for office. Question number 21 is temperature of the sun in Celsius scale is 6000 Celsius and in Fahrenheit is the correct answer is C. 10,832 Fahrenheit. Up to question number 22. Which country will host 2023 SAF South Asian Federation Games? The correct answer is C. Pakistan. Question number 23. Which city of Pakistan called as City of Colleges? The correct answer is B. Lahore. Question number 24. Which of the following is caused by bacteria? The answer is B. Tetanus. Question number 25. This is final question. First Barani University was established at which city basically? The correct answer is C. Rawalpindi. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want more MCQs of current affairs, then go and subscribe our channel Academia Learning. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comments. Thanks.